Elliot.
There are three main different competitions sponsored by FIRST. The FLL, which is like for middle school children. It has about a $500 team budget, and it's like tabletop robotics, like small ones. FTC, which is the first one that we entered. We have a team budget about like $1,000, and we build smaller robots about like this big. They're mostly like metal pieces, which we have to like assemble. We can cut them, but we can only use the parts that are in the kits. And then FRC, or First Robotics Competition, which is that robot right there. As you can see, it's just about anything that we can use, anything that we want, really. And typical budget is about $10,000. Yeah, it weighs well over 100 pounds. Or not well over.
20 pounds over. So, Farzin is going to talk to us about our entry into the First Tech competition.
We first started in the First Tech Challenge as basically a preparation for the First Robotics Competition. It essentially has the same like layout. It's the same basic. You've given the game and a basic set of rules, and basically you can do whatever, build any design you want that is able to fulfill that task, and do the game with those rules. The actual competition itself was very exciting. We learned the basic how first competition works, and we eventually got to the semifinals, and so that we got third place, which was really a surprise to us at the time.
Great. Rachel? Oh, no, actually, we're going to show a quick. Oh, no, this is right. Come on, Rachel. Yes, you're next. Oh, no, it's Grant, sorry. My mistake. I'm the mentor in charge of scheduling.
So our build season for the FRC essentially consisted of a very lengthy design process where we were trying to come up with our robot design to meet the task that was given to us at the very beginning of the season. The season lasts 6 weeks, and so after we were done designing, we started assembling our robot with a $6,000 kit of parts, and also the kit of parts was essentially just a guideline. You could use almost anything you wanted, so required lots of thinking and assembly skills. And after we finally decided on our design and how we were going to put it together, we accomplished building our robot Aurora that we eventually entered in the FRC competition at UC Davis.
Okay, great. Rachel, I messed this up. Rachel wasn't planning on talking about this, but she gets to wing it.
All right, cool. So this will be interesting. Okay, so for the FRC competition, we were one out of the 7 rookie teams, and we ended up being ranked 2nd in the qualifying matches. And like the first practice day, we did all things, and at the end of the day, we realized we were in first. And as a rookie team, like that's the biggest surprise you're gonna like see. I don't know. It was pretty amazing. We had like a blast, and then we ended up getting 2nd in the finals, and we're the captain of the team because like the top 8 seeded then picks 2 teams to be on their alliance, and they compete. So it was pretty long, 3 days. Felt like we were gonna die at the end, but it was totally worth it. We met like a lot of cool people, and we got to learn teamship and all of this, and it was like it was really fun because the robot did break a couple points during it, and we were able to fix it and get back out there, which was like a really big scare, but we did it, so.
Great job. Okay, we're gonna put on a quick film, and while the kids turn on the robot and get it ready to go. So this is just a little bit of the competition as it looks today. That's our robot Aurora. This game basically involves doing laps around this course while trying to move these big inflated balls. And you've got points for every lap you make. You have to make points see the person in just a few minutes. That was a good one. There's basically 6 robots on the field at the same time, 3 on one team and 3 on the other.
Yeah. Okay, so there's an extra bonus that you can earn at the end of the match by leaving the ball on top of the overpass, and you're going to see us do that with about I think 5 seconds left in the match. Oh, not in this video. You'll have to see it in person. Okay, so why don't the guys give us a quick view of what this thing can do. So it's basically, it's a 2-person operation. One, Alex is driving, and Grant is operating the arm. See if you can pick up Tom. Yeah, lift it. Go ahead. Go to the left a little bit. Okay. Go ahead, fire it. Yeah, fire it.